This is an instructional video for installing topless glass. To prepare the posts, you'll need to cut a 45-degree angle on the bottom edge of the bracket. This is so you can fasten the bracket on the post with the bottom flush to the base plate. Then, with 2 clamps, use the provided aluminum blocks to help assist you in fastening the brackets. Hold the brackets down while you fasten the brackets with the 1.5-inch self-tapping screws. Use at least 4 screws per bracket. Insert the aluminum blocks at the bottom side of the bracket and cut your rubber gaskets to 27 inches and 5/8. Then determine your post placements. Using a square ruler, mark each hole, pre-drill, and fasten the first post. Now you're ready to install the glass. You may need a second person to help you assist with this part. Insert the second post into the glass, then onto the first post, but start with the bottom edge, push up and down. Line up the second post to your pre-drilled holes and fasten accordingly. This has been 3 easy steps to installing topless glass railings.